The title is the presentation is Navigating Microsoft Office on a Mac. Today we'll explore how to use Microsoft Office on a Mac, even if you are brand new to it. You'll learn how to open Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, understand shortcuts, and discover a few useful compatibility tips. So today we will be discussing Microsoft, what it is, Office on Mac, what's included in installing and setting up, understanding the interface, Microsoft Word basics, Excel basics, and PowerPoint basics, and more. So what the topic is, Microsoft is a collective of programs for writing, calculating, and presenting information. Think of Microsoft Office as your digital workspace, where you can write letters in Word, organize numbers in Excel, and create slides in PowerPoint. It's one of the most popular software packages in the world. On a Mac, it's streamlined for ease of use, but still powerful enough for professional work. A brief history, Microsoft Office was actually first released on Mac back in 1989, even before the Windows version. In the early days, Mac versions didn't have as many features as Windows counterparts, but that started to change over time. A big step forward came with Office 2011, which unified many of the core tools and made the experience more consistent. Then with the launch of Office 365, now called Microsoft 365, cloud syncing and cross-platform use became the new standard. Today, Office works nearly the same on both Mac and Windows, giving users a seamless experience no matter what device they're on. How to access and install Microsoft Office on a Mac. It's an easy installation process, just like downloading any other app. Once installed, all your Office apps appear in Launchpad or your Applications folder. So the first thing you're going to do is go to office.com. The second thing you're going to do is sign in with your Microsoft account or create one if you don't have one. Third, you're going to click Install Office. Fourth, open the downloaded file. Follow on-screen setup, and that should be giving you the instructions on how to continue. And then fifth, sign in again to activate your apps. Accessing Office on other devices. So on Android, you're going to download Microsoft 365's app from Play Store, sign in, edit, or create documents. On iPhone or iPad, you're going to use Microsoft 365 or individual Office apps via App Store. On Windows, it's pre-installed on many devices or downloaded from Microsoft Store. Office apps look and feel consistent across devices, so once you learn it on Mac, it'll feel familiar on your phone or Windows PC. Office for Mac features. What's included? So for Word, it's going to be best for writing and editing. Excel for spreadsheets and lists. That could be grocery, that could be whatever you need it for. PowerPoint for slideshows and visuals. Outlook for email. OneNote for notes and organization. Office on a Mac works very similarly to the Windows version, but with a few design differences. You still have all the main tools you need. Advanced tools. Microsoft Office on Mac includes several powerful tools beyond just typing and formatting. So for example, Smart Art and Charts let you turn your data into clear visual stories. Track changes and comments make collaboration easy, perfect if you're working with others and need feedback in real time. Mail Merge helps you create personalized letters or labels in bulk, saving tons of time. And with the add-ins marketplace, you can install extra tools like Grammarly or Adobe integrations to make your workflow even smoother. These advanced tools bring your documents and presentations to life while making teamwork much simpler. Understanding the Office interface on Mac. Microsoft Office interface on a Mac is very similar to the Windows version, but a bit clearer and simpler. The ribbon runs across the top with all your main formatting tools, while tabs like Home, Insert, and Layout help you find what you need quickly. At the bottom, you'll see the status bar, which shows helpful details like your word count or current page number. Don't forget the quick access toolbar. You can customize it with your favorite shortcuts to make your work even faster. Microsoft Word Basics. Word is the go-to for letters, resumes, and notes. On a Mac, you'll use Command instead of Control for shortcuts. So Command plus C copies and Command plus V pastes. Microsoft Word Basics. Word is the go-to for letters, resumes, and notes. On a Mac, you'll use Command instead of Control for shortcuts. So Command plus C copies and Command plus V pastes. And to access this, you could create a new document with files, then pressing New, type Edit and format text using the Home tab, then save Command plus S, then print Command plus P. Excel Basics. Excel looks intimidating at first, but it's great for tracking budgets, lists, or data. Think of it like a digital grid where each box can hold text, numbers, or formulas. The cells equal small boxes for data. Rows, which is the numbers, and columns are going to be the letters. Similar formulas, add numbers together, and save regularly. You can press Command plus S. PowerPoint Basics. PowerPoint is wonderful for telling stories visually. On Mac, transitions and animations work just like on Windows. To do this, you could start New by pressing File, then New Presentation. To add slides, you could press Command plus M. Design tab for backgrounds and themes. Slideshow mode, you could put Command plus Shift plus enter data. Helpful shortcuts on Mac. These shortcuts will make your work much faster and they're easy to memorize. So here are a few for task and then the shortcuts. So to copy, we have Command plus C, paste, Command plus V. To undo, Command plus Z. To save, Command plus S. For bold, Command plus B. For italic, Command plus I. And then to find, Command plus F. Saving and sharing files. First, save to OneDrive, cloud storage, or Mac folder. 2. Save files via email or share button. 3. Export to PDF. File export PDF. You can save files locally or in OneDrive. Sharing is simple. Send via email or export as a PDF if you don't want others to edit your works. Quick tips for better productivity. First, use OneDrive to access files anywhere. 2, you can turn on autosave for real-time backup, which saves time so you don't have to press all those commands. 3, use templates to save time. 4, explore Smart Lookup for quick research. And 5, customize quick access toolbar for most used actions. Compatibility tips. So save files in docs for cross compatibility. Avoid using rare fonts not supported on Windows. Enable auto format to maintain layout when sharing. And use PDF export for universal sharing. Files made on Mac open perfectly on Windows if you stick to modern file types. PDFs are best for sending professional documents. Subscriptions and prices. You can use the web-based version for free, but most full features like offline editing and premium templates require a subscription. So for Microsoft 365 Personal, for one user, it's going to be around $69.99 a year USD and then $95 a year CAD. For Microsoft 365 Family, for up to 6 users, it's going to be $99 a year USD and then $135 a year CAD. And then the free online version is free, and that includes Basic, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Comparisons to similar devices. If you're deep in the Apple ecosystem, iWork feels natural, but for cross-platform work, Microsoft Office still leads. So Microsoft Office is a cross-platform. The cost is paid, it has a fee, and the strength is best compatibility. For Apple iWork, which includes Pages, Numbers, and Keynotes, this platform is going to be on Mac and iOS. It's going to be free, and the strengths are it's simple and it has great designs. For Google Workspace, this is going to be web-based for its platform, and it has a free and paid version. I'm guessing depending on the features or how much access you need. And the strength for that is going to be real-time collaboration. Pros of using Office on Mac. It's familiar. It has familiar tools such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint. It's clean, modern design optimized for Mac OS, cloud sync and collaboration, and it has frequent updates and cross-device compatibility. Cons of using Office on Mac. Some advanced Excel features are missing, such as Power Pivot, slight performance lag versus native Apple apps, subscription required for full functionality, and it might be difficult at first to navigate. Beginner-friendly practice exercise. So for those who are new with these features, something you can do is first open Word, type a short paragraph. Second, format it in bold, italic, underline. 3, save and reopen the document. 4, try copying that text into PowerPoint. This is a hands-on exercise that helps you feel comfortable switching between platforms. And thank you guys.